Edutainment merges education and entertainment, transforming traditional learning into an exciting adventure. From the Renaissance to the digital age, the concept of making learning enjoyable has evolved dramatically. Visionaries like Kamensky and Benjamin Franklin laid the groundwork for edutainment centuries ago. Fast forward to today, and we have educational technology, multimedia, and interactive gaming creating dynamic learning environments. Walt Disney's pioneering educational films were just the beginning of this transformation. Now, sophisticated virtual reality experiences are taking edutainment to new heights. Edutainment not only makes learning fun, but also enhances personalized learning experiences. By merging education with entertainment, edutainment creates engaging and effective learning experiences. Gamification, storytelling, and AR/VR are key techniques that make edutainment so powerful. Gamification taps into our innate desire for competition, achievement, and reward. Platforms like Kahoot and Gimkit turn potentially dry topics into exciting, interactive challenges. Storytelling helps learners connect with material on a deeper, more emotional level. Companies like TED use storytelling to make complex topics more accessible and engaging. AR and VR technologies create immersive learning experiences that are both fun and educational. Imagine exploring historical artifacts in a museum through augmented reality, or experiencing different professions in a playful, low-stakes environment with VR. Educational games are reshaping the learning landscape, making complex subjects accessible and enjoyable. Mathematics education games like Prodigy and Mathletics make math fun and engaging. Language learning games like Duolingo and Babbel turn language acquisition into an enjoyable experience. Coding and STEAM games introduce young learners to crucial subjects in a fun and engaging manner. Edutainment extends beyond the classroom, transforming museums and corporate training programs. Interactive displays in museums create hands-on learning experiences that engage visitors. Virtual art museum tours allow students to interact with famous artworks in AR and VR. Corporate training programs use VR simulations to provide hands-on learning opportunities. Choosing the right edutainment tools is crucial for creating effective and engaging learning experiences. The future of edutainment is bright, with even more immersive and personalized learning experiences on the horizon. Let's make learning a joyful, lifelong adventure. Keep learning, keep playing,